In 1898, several baking companies came together to form the National Baking Company, also known as Nabisco. This significant merger marked the inception of the organization that would eventually give birth to the beloved Oreo cookie. Today, Oreo cookies are manufactured in factories located across 18 countries worldwide, collectively producing an astonishing 40 billion cookies annually. But how do they manage to achieve such a colossal production? Handcrafting isn't a feasible option given the sheer volume each factory is tasked with, making it impossible to accomplish manually. To meet this demand, the Oreo factories are equipped with heavy-duty machinery capable of churning out over 1 billion cookies each year. The main ingredients essential to the cookie-making process include flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, leavening agents such as baking soda and baking powder, salt, flavorings, and the iconic vanilla cream filling. These ingredients are sourced from various producers and undergo thorough quality checks upon arrival at the factory. The first step in the cookie-making process involves preparing the batter. A worker unloads generous quantities of sugar into an industrial-grade mixer, followed by the addition of two types of cocoa, both of which are pre-processed to ensure a milder and smoother flavor. The cocoa plays a pivotal role in giving Oreo cookies their distinctive appearance and taste. A premix of salt and other essential ingredients is then added, along with a specially formulated canola oil mixture to help these dry ingredients form a cohesive batter. Massive beaters blend the ingredients, and as water is introduced, the batter transforms into a bubbling chocolate mixture. Dry ice is incorporated to lower the mixture's temperature, which is crucial for achieving the desired dough consistency when flour is added. The final mix yields the chocolate dough, which is ready for the next stages. The cookie dough is then shoveled into a grate and pressed through a molding machine, which portions the large clumps of dough into individual pieces essential for the molding process. This machine not only shapes the dough into biscuit forms but also engraves the intricate design and Oreo logo onto them. An impressive 5,000 cookies are produced every hour by this machine. For the baking phase, the cookies transition from a silicon conveyor to a steel one. The excellent thermal properties of the steel belt ensure efficient baking and a crisp, attractive base, while its hard, smooth surface guarantees easy product release. The cookies travel through an 85-meter-long industrial-grade oven for several minutes, receiving an even bake. While the cookies are cooling, the vanilla cream filling is prepared. This filling consists of a mixture of powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, vanilla flavoring, and sometimes other ingredients to achieve the desired taste and texture. The prepared vanilla filling is loaded onto a pump, which facilitates controlled and precise dispensing. The filling is then poured into a hopper or container attached to the pump on the other side. Once the cookies have cooled to the desired firmness, they are ready for assembly. They move to another conveyor system that feeds into a series of chutes, which are designed to orient the biscuits correctly. One side lands plain side up, while the other lands with the engraved side facing up, placing them in the right position for the all-important cream filling. A centrifugal pump deposits the vanilla filling onto the plain side of the biscuits, and these biscuits proceed to a station where machinery expertly presses the top biscuit onto the bottom one. Once the cookies are fully assembled, mechanical fingers separate them into bunches, and grippers swing into action to move each bunch forward and release them into plastic trays. The entire cookie-making process takes approximately 90 minutes, producing an astonishing 3,000 cookies every minute. The trays, now filled with biscuits, advance to the quality control station. At this stage, the Oreo cookies undergo thorough quality checks to ensure they meet the company's rigorous standards. Once approved, the cookies are carefully packaged into larger boxes or containers and then shipped to distribution centers, from where they are dispatched to retailers for sale. This iconic cookie has found its way to over 100 countries around the globe, with an astonishing approximately 34 billion Oreo cookies sold each year. If learning about this process has sparked a craving for something sweet, don't worry, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out our video on how chocolate is made.